Hi, welcome to Doris and Kids. If you're new here, my name is Doris. I'm a mom of four. I just have a lot of things going on. And one of the way I manage my life is to make sure I have a planner. So today we are going to be setting up my catch up planner for 2025. I do have multiple planner, but this is where I'm going to be going for everything I need. So if I have something that pertain to nursing, school, I'll put school in there, college, and then I'll go into my nursing planner to know what I'm doing there. That way, this planner is not cluttered. Having multiple planner just allow me to not have a mental breakdown. So this is my planner for nursing school. So whenever I do have something pertaining to nursing, I put in a time block nursing, and then I go through the nursing planner. That way I can put more detail into that. But we're just going to go through my catch-up planner really quick, and we're going to set up for January of 2025. So we open the planner up. I made this planner myself to fit my needs. I do have these in my Etsy shop, the printables, if you want on that. So I'm going to do a really quick flip through, and then we're going to come and plan. So I have my goal page on the front, and then I have at the month glance, and I have my whole monthly view. And then I have my hourly layout for the week, and that's just a weekly view, and you just keep going and repeat itself. And this is the back of the page for me to have notes pages and things like that. So we're just going to plan it out really quick, set it up for 2025. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to set my goal for 2025 up. I like to focus on 3 goals when I have something new to learn or to put in place, because if I have too many stuff, my brain just shut down and then I don't do anything. So the first goal we're going to be doing for 2025 is for me to pass nursing school. I'm starting to accelerate a nursing program, and it's really hard. So my first goal for that is pass nursing school. That way I don't have to repeat it. Okay, and then to pass the nursing school, I'm going to write down steps of way I think I can pass it. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to create a study plan. Okay, and then I'm going to manage my time better. Okay, and then the next thing I want to do for nursing school is find the best way that I study. We're going to nursing, what I've been hearing from a lot of nurses is you study for nursing school different than regular college courses. So I'm going to find the best way I study. I'm going to take the test to find out how I taking information mostly instead of just reading. Just figure out what works best for me to retain information. So best way to study. And then the last thing on there, I am going to ask for help. I have issue of asking for help when I need them. That's something I'm working on throughout my life with everything. So I'm going to ask for help to be able to pass it, to be able to pass nursing school. So my second goal on this is going to be to have a better mental and physical health. Just because I went through a lot with my marriage, and I am going through therapy. I have been going through therapy. I did not know how much trauma I had until I started going to therapy. And also, apart from my marriage, I grew up in a war. Okay, I grew up in the Liberian Civil War, so I have a lot of trauma there that I actually need to deal with too. So I'm going to work on having a very good mental health for 2025, and I'm also going to work on having a physical health as well. So working out more. So that is my goal for second goal for 2025 is my mental and physical health. T-ish. And the steps I'm going to do to try to get that is I am definitely going to stay in therapy, and I am going to have a workout plan. And then I'm going to speak my mind. The reason I put that on there for my mentor, I was raised to be seen and not heard, and I am trying to work on getting out of that habit. So by speaking your mind, it prevents a lot of things from happening, and I did not do that to my marriage. I just went along to keep the peace, and I'm trying to get away from that to speak what I'm thinking at that moment. And then my third goal on here, which is one of my important goals, is to be a better mom. Be a better. I think I'm an awesome mom, but I can always improve. I'm not a great mom. There's a lot of things I have doing, and there's a lot of things I'm doing now. I'm looking back on and say, okay, I wish I would have done that better. But as a mom, you learn, and I'm learning, especially with 4 kids, how to do stuff, how to handle each child, and I feel like I have that on my goal list every year to be a better mom, just because, I can always be better than what I started with yesterday. And the step I'm going to take for that, I'm going to have one on there, is just to listen more. I found myself talking a lot with the kids, or they will be talking and I'm like pretend I'm listening, but I'm not really listening. I'm zoom out. So I'm going to practice on listening more to them and asking for an opinion also. So that'll be my goal for 2025. And then we're going to come up here and we are going to fill this out really quickly. This is going to be January. Right here, I'm just going to put in my prayer request or what I'm praying for the month. Prayers right there. And then what I'm thankful for. And then right here, I'm going to leave this blank as the month go. I'm going to write stuff in there. Like I said, I made this plan. I left this page blank. That way it can fit or work for me. But I'm going to put my prayers in here and my thankfulness. And then I just have a note section up. I'm going to leave that blank. One of my prayer right now is for me to be focused. So that will be something I put on there. I'm just going to put that in there real quick. So, okay, and then I'll go back in there when I'm doing my journal writing to write down what I'm thankful for at the end of the month. And I'm just throughout the month, I'm going to put my prayer there or any kind of prayer request I have for someone. Okay, so the first day of January is on Wednesday, and I'm going to use a black pen. I'm just going to fill this date out really quickly. I'm just going to go and fill things I know that's going on this month. So on the first, I know I have a rent due. Rent is always due on the first. And then my kids are gone right now with their dad, so they're going to be back on Saturday. So I need to go to the airport to pick them up. That. And then on Monday, my boys has an appointment, a doctor appointment. I try to make my kids' appointment around the same time since my girls have birthday in the same month and the boys is back to back. So I just try to make the appointment in the same time that way I'm not driving back to the office multiple times, and it just saves me gas and things like that. And then also on Monday, I need to go to the public school because I am going to talk to them about putting my two little ones in public school, so I need to be there as well and try to raise to them. Okay, and then on the 8th, that is when I start nursing school. And then let me see, on the 14th is my little brother's birthday. Right now, that is all I have as to what's going on. I don't think I have anything else, so we're just gonna go and set my week up. So this is my weekly view. As you can see, go by the hour the other, and I have a space, and it's half-hour increment. But I may come back later in to fill more things in because I'm getting my schedule for nursing school coming up in a couple of days. But I wanted to post this video and continue posting my monthly plan view at the beginning of the month, and then do my weekly plan on Sunday. So I wanted to start off 2025 sticking to that schedule. So I want to put this on the first. I'm just going to fill this out. And then later on, whenever I get my school schedule, I'm going to fill this in. I'm going to put more detail into that. Okay, so the first week is going to start on Wednesday. So this is Wednesday, 2, 3, 4. And then for, what is it called? For December, we have, so this is 31, 30, 29. Okay, so for this week on Sunday, I am working. I am going to see. I don't have a highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this up here so I'm able to write easier. So I start work at 6 and I start work at 7, but I leave around 6:30. So I'm gonna put work up here. And I'm gonna go down there. And then same thing here. Okay. Sunday, my kids are not here, so I'm just gonna be cleaning the whole house, deep cleaning to get ready for the new year. So I'm gonna be sleeping, and up here I'm gonna wake up. I'm just gonna deep clean the whole house, and I'm gonna do that till around 3 o'clock. Okay, because I'm not gonna sleep. And then up here, I am going to come home, and I am going to sleep till around 3. Same thing here. Since I don't have any kids, I don't have anything to do, I'm just gonna let my body rest and just go to sleep. Okay. And then on Wednesday, I am off. I'm gonna sleep. Come home. I'm gonna leave work. I'm gonna leave work at 5:30. That way I can get home at 6, and I'm gonna sleep here till around 1 o'clock. And then around 3, I'm gonna go to Austin to spend some time with my sister and spending New Year's there. And then I'm gonna be in Austin there. So then on Thursday, I'm gonna be in Austin, but I'm gonna be helping my sister prep her house because she just moved to a new apartment. That's one of the reasons I'm moving up there, just to help her hang things up and things like that. But I'm also going to go shopping because I have some things I need to buy, and it's cheaper to go to IKEA. So this whole day I'm just gonna be spending time with her and shopping. Then I'm gonna be coming back around 6 o'clock. Okay. So then on Friday, I don't have anything. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm going to be upholstering my dining table. I'm gonna be making shelf over my desk in my room because I need that to help my nursing school. I am going to do laundry to because I wash all the kids' clothes while they're gone. I just need to fold them and put them away. So my plan is when I come home, I am going to sleep here. I'm going to wake up at 7 o'clock. And then at 8 o'clock, I'm going to upholster the table. And I'm hoping that takes me 3 hours, so 8, 9, 10. That should take me there. And then I'm going to come in, and then I'm going to come and take a break. And then right here, I'm going to build my shelf. And then that should take me, I need to do the whole measure and cut. So I'm going to put in 12, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that around 3 o'clock. And then I'm going to fold close here. Okay. So there's all the kids' clothes, everything. I wash everything out. So I'm assuming it's going to take me all night. So my plan is just to fold the clothes and then watch TV and just relax. Okay, so then on Saturday I'm gonna wake up early and I'm gonna go grocery shopping because the kids come back around 4 o'clock if I'm not mistaken, or is it 3? It's one of those times. After 2 they're gonna come back. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping here. I'm gonna wake up at 7. I'm gonna go to the farmer market here. And then food shopping. And then around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, I'm going to meal prep. I'm going to do 11 o'clock and I'm going to just meal prep. That's going to give me 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock, all the way up here. So then I'll go and get the kids and be done. And then when I come back, it takes that 15 minutes from here to drive to the airport. So I'm going to spend that time with doing nothing. And then around 6 o'clock, I'm going to clean up and get ready for Sunday for church. I'm just gonna wash the clothes from the trip that will have start with clean clothes. So that is my week as of now. Whenever I do get my schedule from nursing school, I'll come back in here, put whatever I need to put in there, move things around if I need to. and then I'll do more detail of that into this planner. So that is just how I'm going to be planning for 2025. I'm still going to try to implement stickers and get used to that, because someone did give me some sticker also. It's like people just give me stickers. Give me some stickers. So I'm going to try to implement it into my schedule and planning. As you can see, when it comes to my planning, it's very minimalistic. I just try to put exactly what I need in there. I don't put a lot of extra stuff. Even though I have this space for writing, I didn't really utilize it as much as I thought I would have. I just prefer to just be less, because it just allowed me not to have a panic attack. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. That is one of my goals for 2025, is to increase my subscriber and my view. And if you have any comment or suggestion for me, please put down below. And thank you so much again for sticking around. Have a blessed day. Bye.